Good morning, YouTube. We're beautiful here on a Sunday morning. It's gonna be 77 degrees. We're on a ride today for doing the 5 boroughs. Got the bike ready going on there. Got new sissybar going. And I'm just meeting right now with Marvel Kid in his famous garage here with his bike. He's about to get out, and we're gonna meet up with a couple people in New York City. I'm getting ready to do all the ride in New York City today on this beautiful weather today. See that? All right, stay tuned, guys. We're about to film pretty soon, and then we'll get back to you. Here we have Marvel's Kid garage, the famous YouTube garage. What's going on, buddy? We're here live in the garage.
Yeah, man. Empty. Trying to get that second bike up in here soon.
Oh, it's gonna be nice. Pretty good, guys. This is where he does all his YouTube vlogs and everything on his lowrider S.
The office.
The office.
This is the office.
Getting ready to go. All right, guys, we're here live in New York. We just arrived by Dyckman Street, getting ready to do the 5 borough ride. Doing it real nice right now. Check it out. We got some dope bikes right here. There we go, guys. There we go. We're getting ready to do the 5 boroughs in the heart of New York City.
It starts with doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all.
5 stops. There you go. What a beautiful scenery, guys. We got all the guys here on their bikes and a beautiful, beautiful ride. I think our next stop's gonna probably be Queens. We got the train rolling right now at the moment. That's the noise of New York City, guys. That's how we do. Going through. As the people pass by. Look at that scenery, guys. This is something. Bike looking great right now today. Stopped at the seashore here at City Island, New York. It's looking nice. What's going on, man? City Island, here we go. Hungry? Bird up. City Island. What's going on? Dímelo. Beautiful day today in City Island. What's up, guys? Alright, so we're gonna eat, guys. Get a little something to eat, and then we'll continue the 5 boroughs. Stop at Dykeman, get some Dominican food. For you guys that don't know what Dykeman looks like, here we go. Ran into some riders right here. There you go.